Okay, so we're getting a little crafty today, another Craftmas video, and so we're making some lumberjack buffalo rustic themed ornaments for our Christmas tree. And I already had everything that's on here. That's why I was like, you know what, let's do it. So the fake snow, the clear ornament, the wooden snowflakes, and then the shrink film paper. Everything's from Amazon. I'll try to link it in the video if you guys are interested and want to make these as well. So first of all, let me start off by saying that this is printable shrink film paper. You need to make sure that it's for the printer. And so yeah, you're going to design it, print it out, and we're going to cut it and bake it. Pretty easy. So let's start doing that. Okay, so let's work on the first ornament design, and these are already cut out. Let's go bake them. Okay, so I'm gonna preheat the oven first, and normally I keep it 350, and we're going to bake. So yeah, let's heat that up a little bit, and I like to use the little baking sheet on here. Okay, so let's pop this in and let it bake. Can you guys see it shrink? Okay, let's take that out, and also like remember that you need to pat it down so it's flat. Okay, so I just finished baking the cutouts, and I forgot to mention in the beginning of the video that when you're working with shrink film paper, you do have to make an extra couple more than you want, just because when you're baking them, if you're not paying attention, it'll shrink really small. So if you want it a certain size, take it out of the oven right away and pat it down so it hardens. So these ones came out perfect. I love them. They're gonna be nice in the middle of the ornament. So for this one though, I think I want to make them a little bit bigger, so I'm gonna redo these again. I need to order more paper to bake, but at least I have one done for right now. So yeah, that's gonna be cute. Love it. Yeah, I really want it big. Okay, so this is kind of like what I want. Okay, so let's get that one done. I'm just letting my glue gun heat up right now. You decide to buy these wooden snowflakes, it does come with yarn for you to use, so that's pretty cool. Anyways, so I'm just gonna add a little bit of glue in the back, just in the head portion. And ta-da, the first ornament is done and complete. Super cute, love it. Okay, let's move on to the next one, which is the clear ornament one. And this one, you have to be very patient because it's gonna take a while. So near the middle, just put a lot of glue. Honestly, just put a lot. The snowflake is gonna cover it anyways. Okay, so we're gonna place our little deer right there, and you need to hold it for a while. So okay, so while it's still hot, add a little bit of the fake snow. And sorry, I know that in the previous clip I said snowflake, I meant snow. It's still pretty hot, so just keep holding it until like it fully dries. Like I said, this one's really cute and simple, but it is a little bit more time consuming just because you have to wait until everything cools down. But trust me, once you hang this up in the tree, it's gonna look so nice. I still love the Grinch ornaments that I made like this. They look so pretty in pictures and of course in person. But so yeah, just letting that cool down. Okay, so it already cooled down. Okay, so we're just gonna take a spoon and just put the fake snow in there. Okay, and then we're going to close it. Shake it up, and this is how it looks. And ta-da! This is how both of the ornaments turned out. They look so pretty in the tree, especially this clear ornament one. That one's so pretty. Love it. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!